अपनी फिटनेस के लिए एक छोटा सा स्टेप, सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।
Is it true that you need to apply sunscreen on cloudy days, and do skin lightening creams really work? There are many questions that are still unanswered, and people are yet to know the facts when it comes to skin whitening creams. For those of you who do not know, welcome back to OZiva TV, and I am Ashmita. This is a really interesting question that I get asked all the time. Do skin lightening creams really work? But before we get into the topic, let me point out to all you beautiful women watching this video. You are beautiful just the way you are. You do not need to fix your skin. However, you do need to focus on taking care of your skin to keep it healthy and younger looking. And today I'm going to show you just that in the latter part of this video. So I did some research to find out if skin whitening creams really work. And to my surprise, I found out that it's a stated fact that skin lightening creams do not work. And it might get hazardous if we use such creams without consulting a dermatologist. Most skin whitening creams contain hydroquinone or steroids. Now, hydroquinone isn't for everyone. It may irritate sensitive skin and lead to redness, itching or dryness. Although these symptoms fade over time, some people feel that their skin still cannot tolerate it. Steroids may give instant results, but it is not suggested to use it in the long run, as it is used by experts only for treating various skin disorders. Today I am going to give you two alternatives that are all natural remedies for all skin types to keep your skin younger and fresh looking. Number one, milk mask. Before I get into the benefits of a milk mask, please make a mental note of this. Tyrosine is the melanin controlling hormone in our bodies that can lead to skin darkening. The application of raw milk is one of the most easily available skin brightening tips that you will find in every household in India. It keeps a check on the secretion of tyrosine, hence proving to be an unbeatable skin brightening agent. This could help by toning down your skin color by removing dirt off your face and making your skin smoother. To use it as a basic face mask, just take some raw milk and dab it onto your face. Allow it to sit for 15 minutes. After that, you can wash it off with cool water. Number two, vitamin E. OZiva's plant-based vitamin E is India's first and only 100% natural vitamin E with the goodness of argan oil, aloe vera oil and sunflower oil. These help to improve the skin's natural glow, increase hair strength and also keep skin hydrated. It has 2 times faster absorption than the synthetic vitamin E which is available in the market today. Why should it be consumed? It helps reduce dull skin problems and gives you a naturally glowing skin. Vitamin E also has moisturizing and healing properties which help in strengthening the skin barrier function. It helps fight free radicals on the skin which are a result of stressors including sun exposure, air pollution and environmental changes, thus protecting the skin from damage. So how to consume? Just consume 1 capsule with your lunch or dinner for better absorption. Both men and women above the age of 18 can consume this product. Let me share a secret skincare tip with you. Before going to bed, I also like to rub an ice cube all over my face. It gives my cheeks a nice flushed look and soothes my skin and gives it a natural glow. Let me know if you have such secret home remedies in the comment section below. Till then, take care of your skin, stay hydrated and eat clean you guys. And for more such videos, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to OZiva TV you guys. See you. Bye.